So, how do I relax from my ESL teaching job? Look, syempre, watching YouTube videos of showbiz. No, no. And what else? I have another one. And let me show you. So what's that? Oji Diaz. Ichika Mona Dali. Really? Yes, of course. Magmarites tayo. Paminsan-minsan. Right? To, be relaxed. Sabi nga eh, showbiz will make you relax. Stress